Hello, everybody. This is Miss Greger, and this is a lesson on advocacy. Basically, when we advocate, we reach out to other people with what we know and a passion about how important it is to us. We are talking about advocacy in health class because we want you to spread the word. When we tell you things, when you learn things, we want you to go beyond just applying them to yourself. We want you to share in a lot of different ways with our community, with your families, how they can be healthier. So let's take a look at what we mean by advocacy. When you are a health advocate, it means that you are promoting something. You're a salesperson, okay? So what do? First, pick a health-related concern. In this lesson, we are going to advocate about healthy communication. We've tied those things together. So we want you to pick communication for that health-related concern. That's what we're going to work with in this lesson. In subsequent lessons throughout the semester, you're going to be advocating several times for several different health-related topics. So you want to pick a concern that is something personal. And we know that we're telling you right now, I know I'm telling you to do communication, so it might not be that personal, but in this case, everybody wants to have healthy relationships. So gather some information. I'm giving you information. You got it in the slideshow and the lesson on communication skills. It needs to be accurate. When you promote something, when you advocate for something, when you try to sell something or convince other people to do something, you have to have the truth on your side or people aren't going to take you seriously. What is your purpose? What's your audience? Most of the time in health class, our audience, your audience, is going to be your peers. You're going to be speaking to other high school students, peers, etc. I like to think of it like this. Think of it as, would that poster be on the wall in the hallway at Armstrong High School? That would be your target audience, okay? If it's for adults, then that poster might just be in the teacher's lounge where adults go and spend time. So you're going to develop a convincing and appropriate message. What do people need to do to be healthy? We're going to keep our messages simple, and we are going to be clever, and we are going to convince people that they should make the healthy choice we're promoting. So there's a lot of different ways to advocate, okay? We are going to do a visual advocacy, but there's a lot of other things you can do. You can volunteer. You can get involved and mediate conflicts, okay? Try to work things out with your friends. You can be a source of support for your friends using those good listening skills we talked about in the last lesson. Maybe you bring health information to your family or your friends. Write a letter to the editor. Create a school club or a cause. Be a part of something. Relay for Life is a great example. Okay, being a part of that to shine a light on those families who are dealing with a family member who has cancer. Create a website or a fan club. Again, we are going to be doing a visual promotion, or you could do a verbal promotion. Okay, whenever I do a lesson, it's a verbal promotion. The best way to advocate is to be an example. Do it yourself. The best way for me to help you learn about communication skills is to use good communication skills myself. So health advocates are people who make things happen. People are divided into 3 groups. Those who make things happen, those who watch things happen, and those who wonder what happened. Think about what kind of advocate you want to be. So here are some examples of flyers, posters that are a visual advocate for healthy choices. So when we go through these, I want you to think about who's the target audience, what are they promoting? And take a look at some of these clever ways that people are using a visual to promote a healthy choice. Okay, this one says you'd never say, it's just cancer, get over it. So why do they say that about depression? This is about increasing awareness of the physical background behind mental illness and mental health issues. Okay? So recognize that this is a real illness and it's not just something that you can control or choose. This one, target audience is probably parents. And it's about wearing a helmet, having your kids wear a helmet. When you're this age, your parents are the ones that get you your helmet and ask you to wear it. Okay, portions have grown, so has type 2 diabetes. This is a visual to show you how big the soda pops have gotten. And this gentleman clearly is obese. Also, if you notice, he's lost the bottom half of his right leg, which is what can happen if you do not manage diabetes. This one is a striking image. Clearly, it's to convince you not to smoke because you'll smell like this. Again, this is about red lights, okay? And it's specific to people in Florida if you read through it. This is an interesting visual. If you look at both of those plates, this one doesn't look like it's that much less food, but look at how many fewer calories it is, and that this would be the healthier choice. This uses a catchy movie to promote getting your children immunized. Call your doctor or your health department today. This is an old school advertisement that's promoting milk and drinking milk. This is obviously targeting young athletes and telling them, hey, drugs can have a big impact on your success. This one's obviously targeting young people. How old does this person look? This person looks, 13, 14 maybe. So when you're talking about marijuana being addictive, you're trying to catch people young. Okay? And then, of course, it gives a fact. This is another powerful video that just shows how much sugar is really in the soda. You wouldn't just sit there and eat 22 packs of sugar, but you're drinking them. This one, the visual is supposed to get your attention. Most pregnancies are unexpected. Obviously, a male is not going to get pregnant, okay? But they used this picture because it was capturing your attention, and it's unexpected too to see a male pregnant. This is another one of the mental health. Depression is Real is a fabulous organization, and it's from the American Psychiatric Foundation, trying to get our society to realize that mental illnesses are real illnesses. They aren't just something you control. This is another way to do a visual. Okay. The message can wait. This is another visual. Spark it up, watch your dreams fade. And they're using the popular icon symbol of a marijuana leaf to get the point across. Real simple, right? Eat well, feel swell. And then the picture is this appealing looking plate of delicious fruit. This one is about cancer and tanning beds. Tanning beds, select a cancer. This is also an alarming photo, okay? Talking again about using sunscreen. Okay, that is the lesson on advocacy. Good luck when you are working on this, and I hope you have a great day. Gregor out.